Well, hey y'all, welcome to Throttle Power. If you're new here, my name's Tim, and in this video, I'm going to show you an easy way to put valve stems on your model. You aren't going to want to miss it. Let me get the camera turned around, and let's get to it. Okay, the way I add valve stems to my models is something as easy as a toothpick and a marker. What do I mean by that? I take the toothpick, since it's got the pointed end, color it black, flip it around, color the other one black. 4 tires, 4 wheels per model. Take a second toothpick, color it black. So now I've got 2 toothpicks with 4 ends that are black. Then next I'll cut those down to make 4 pieces, just so it's a little bit more manageable. Your little pen vise, little tiny small drill bit. I'm not sure what size that drill bit is. It's small. And you can choose any wheel. This wheel is from the AMT 40 Ford. It's got a little bit of a lip on it. And underneath the lip, and just carefully at a slight angle, start drilling. You don't want to be in any hurry. And it's through. And sometimes there'll be a little bit of a burr there you got to take care of. And just clean that burr right off. And your toothpick slips through, and there's your valve stem. Now of course you can't leave this hanging like this, so what I'll do is I'll clip it off, and then take a little dab of super glue and put a little dab of super glue right there. Doesn't take much super glue, which I use with another toothpick, because this toothpick's crammed in there pretty tight. But that's going to reassure that it doesn't go anywhere. And that is how I add valve stems to my wheels. Now a lot of guys will add wire, and there's nothing wrong with adding wire either. The reason I stopped doing wire is because after I would drill my hole and then put the wire in, over time I would have a hard time keeping the wire there. That's the only reason I use the toothpick method, because a toothpick you push up in there and it will stay, and you could see it stay when it was sticking out. Okay, let's just say you don't have one of these pen vices. Not everyone has them. There's still a way to add valve stems to any model you build if you don't have a pen vise. With an X-Acto knife. Again, any wheel will work, and every wheel has the lip on it. You go up underneath that lip, angle it just a hair, just like on the pen vise. Once you got your spot that you want to go, just start twisting slowly, and the tip of that knife will come through the other side of that wheel. That's through. Once it's through, take your painted toothpick and push it, and you've got a valve stem for that wheel. I don't recommend this method. It's obviously dangerous, but it can be done. I recommend this method here. It's worth picking one of these up just for a few dollars and getting some drill bits. They'll come in handy for your model building. And the same works with this. Cut it off, a little super glue, you're ready to go. Well, hey, what'd you think about that little technique? I'd like to know in the comments below, and I'll see you on the next episode on Throttle Power.